So next video is also a pair of Air Jordan 4, and I just realized I'm not gonna do 10 videos. You don't want to see 10 videos. I'm not gonna do 10 videos, or even I don't know how many pair of shoes I bought yesterday. So I'm gonna do this video, random unboxing after this one, and then I'm gonna do a review of the Air Jordan 34 because those also surprised me positively. So another pair of Air Jordan 4, also released 2019, is the cool gray. And you probably have noticed that I like colorful shoes. I really don't like black shoes. There have to be something very special if I'm going to like a pair of black shoes. But for some reason, I don't think gray is boring. I actually really like gray shoes. And the only reason why I didn't bought these, by the way, I really regret that I didn't buy the Air Jordan 8 Wolf Gray that I released 2 years ago, I think. I really regret that I didn't buy them. So, but this is a really cool shoe. We haven't seen this. The first time this colorway was released was in 2004, and we haven't seen them since. Yeah, I think that is correct. So the cool gray Air Jordan 4 has only been released once before, and that was in 2004. A very cool shoe. I like it. Nice color. The quality is sort of like the Bread Force. Not suede, but some kind of wannabe suede. I don't know what they call it. Not numbuk or anything like this. Just, yeah, I don't know what the official name of the quality is or the material is. But I like the yellow details. You won't see the undersole, but the flight text probably says something on the tongue. It says Air Jordan. Okay, nothing more special than that. But I like the yellow details. I would love to have a yellow Jumpman instead of this chrome one. That would be really cool. But a nice shoe. And the reason why I didn't buy them right away was the same reason why I didn't buy the red ones. Because I really can't even wear the Bread Force because of the quality. They're too stiff. So when I bend the shoe, they cut in my big toe. I think these would be the same, but I still want them. I mean, these with a great jumpsuit or whatever, like a daily beater, these look very cool. Discreet, but still a nice shoe. So I think that's all I have to say about these. On foot. Sorry, I forgot to do the close-up. Of course you want to see them close-up. I haven't checked them out so in detail, but I can't see any flaws. No glue residue, no mispainting. Yeah, much better quality than like the Travis Scott Force. So the quality is nice, but the material is some kind of wannabe numbuk. They should not cost, I don't know what they go for, like 225 or something. But if you like the colorway, go ahead and get them. If you want a shoe, Air Jordan 4 that not everybody has, that's also a reason to buy them. If you like sneakers that are sort of discreet, you can wear them to your work. They don't pop up too much. This is it. I don't have too much more to say about them. We have the chrome Jumpman that I would love to have in yellow. Can we remove this? No, nothing special like that. So it's just a nice pair of gray Air Jordan 4. On foot. I'm sorry about the lighting. I can't do too much about it without moving furniture here. Comfort, nothing special. Feel them sort of here. So just as I said about the red ones, the 2019 Air Jordan 4s are a bit narrow and long. These are used the same. Are they uncomfortable like the red 4s? No, no. They are better. So this is just like our Air Jordan 4, just any random release. Nothing special. Cool color that we haven't seen in a while. Not super comfortable, just like a standard shoe. I usually say that the Air Jordan 4 is sort of like a Air Force One. You can wear it with everything and anything and anytime. So, pair of nice shoes. You can probably beat them because of the quality. I don't think they will wear out, but I don't like that I can feel them here. But that's the problem that I usually have. So nothing you need to bother about, think about. All right. Now on to the random unboxing video. Thanks.